Being a landlord with apartment buildings can be a game changer. Picture this. The rent from multiple units brings in a steady cash flow. Nice, right? This covers mortgage payments and even leaves room to squirrel away some cash for future investments. But it's not just about the money in, it's about what you can do with it. With a growing cash flow, you can leverage that to snag more properties down the line. It's like a snowball effect for your investments. And don't forget about the rent. It's not just for paying bills. If you're smart about it, that rent money can cover maintenance and even leave you with a little extra profit each month. Over time, the value of your property tends to go up. So it's not just about the immediate gains, it's about the long-term play. Being a savvy landlord is key. Managing things well, picking the right spots, it all adds up. Strategic moves like these can skyrocket your rental demand and property value. Now let's talk financing. Leveraging your finances to grab more properties. That's like turning up the volume on potential returns. And hey, who doesn't love some sweet tax benefits on the side? So, in a nutshell, it's the mix of rental income, property appreciation, smart management, and a bit of financial know-how that lets landlords build some serious wealth with apartment buildings. Thinking of stepping into this world? Get in touch with us today at info@atalagroup.com.